Hi everyone. First of all, welcome to Powerful Prompting Techniques in Artificial Intelligence course. My name is Naresh. I am the instructor for this course. In the market these days, we have several AI tools. It could be ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Grok, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, whatever it is. There are so many AI tools with which we can get information, but we need to learn right techniques. We need to learn right techniques to get right information from these tools. Let's say for example, we have gold mine. Okay, we have gold mine. To get gold mine, to get gold, we need to use the right tool. Okay, we need to use the right tool. Otherwise, we will not be able to get the gold. In the same way, ChatGPT is like gold mine. Okay, ChatGPT is like gold mine. To get gold or to get right information from ChatGPT, we should also know these important techniques. I've been I've been researching on these techniques for the last couple of years, and I have like 40 to 50 techniques now. I'm going to make videos about all these techniques that I have learned. It is going to be very basic to very advanced. So you will not get overwhelmed. It will start with basic techniques and it is going to be quite advanced once you go through these videos. After watching these videos, you will see ChatGPT in a different way. You will see ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, or any other AI tool in a different way. You will know exactly how to use these tools to get the right information. All right. All right. If you want to learn this information, enroll in this course, and I will talk to you soon in the community. See you. Bye bye.